Hello, everybody. Today we're going to guide you through the schedule management system and how do you build the schedule. And in the same time, we will present the virtual classroom because virtual classroom features are already linked with the schedule. You cannot do the virtual classroom without building a schedule. So here we have opened three tabs: the admin portal, login, and the student and teacher. So that we will log in now into the admin portal and build the schedule, and then we go and log into the student portal in order to see how the students can see the schedule from their portal and how can they connect to the virtual classrooms to meet their teachers. And also from the teacher perspective, we will log in into the teacher portal in order to show you how the teachers can see their schedule and also connect to the virtual classrooms and meet their students online. Okay, so let's get started. Here we will log in with the admin account. Once you logged in here, you have the left menu here, so you can go directly to the schedule and click on schedule. You will have two options: manage sessions and build schedule. But before we do that, we want to summarize the prerequisites of building schedule in case you didn't watch our two video tutorials, part 1 and part 2 of how to get started with EduHappy, because you need to build the foundations of the system first before you do any other management system tasks. So first of all, you need to add a new school from here, and once you added the school, you need to add the new academic year from here, and then you go and add a grade under the school that you have created, at least one grade. And then you have to add a classroom under the grade that you just created in the previous step. And you just need also to create a new course under the same grade that you created. And then you add a student from new student here and add a teacher from add teacher. But after adding a teacher, you need to assign the teacher some authorities. You need to assign the teacher a grade, a classroom, and a course so that teacher can start working on the classroom activities. Okay, so let's not waste no more time here in this summary. We go ahead and start building the schedule. First step in building the schedule, you need to build sessions per grade. So you go in manage sessions here, and you need to select the school and the grade. Now you have to add the sessions per day for each grade that you have. So maybe grade 1 has 6 sessions per day, maybe grade 2 has 5 sessions per day, and so on. So first of all, you need to select the grade and then build the sessions under this grade. So we'll assume that we have 2 sessions under grade 1. So session 1 and session 2 will be displayed here. You just need to add the time from and time to and click submit. Very important to note that virtual classrooms are working based on the current session. And what we mean by current session is the time now. So if we are now is 10:30 p.m. or 10:23 p.m., then virtual classroom link will only be displayed on the current session, which means we have to have a session that its time from and time to the range are within the current time. So let's build the first session. Let's say that we have a session between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. So this session will be the current session because our time now is 10:24. Let's say the second session is from 11 p.m. till 12 p.m. Okay, we'll add submit. Let's keep it 11:30 just to be. Let's click submit now. So we have entered 2 sessions, and now if we go in the build schedule, this is the second step. You go in and click on build schedule, and in building the schedule, you need to choose the school, the grade, and the classroom, because the schedule is being built on the level of the classroom. So each classroom will have its own schedule. So we will select the school, and then we'll select the grade, and then we will select the classroom. Now you can see that we have the schedule timetable here with the days on the left, and the sessions are horizontal, as you can see here. So we have 2 sessions created, and we have these days. So you may wonder why these days are only 5 days, not the full 7 days of the week. Because here, when we created the school, we choose the weekends. And as I explained earlier in videos, that whenever you choose the weekends here, the system will understand that these are weekends, so the schedule will remove them from the days and only display the working days. Okay, so now we need to select the course from the drop-down menu. That means that this course will be taught in that session in that day with that teacher. Okay, so the system will automatically display the teacher here. You can go ahead and select the other sessions in the timetable, but we need to select a session which can be act as a current session in order to show you the virtual classrooms. Today is Wednesday, and now is 10:26. So we will need to select a session here. Let's have this session selected. So once we click submit now, the system will build the schedule for this class, and will display this schedule to the students under this class and the teachers that are assigned to that class. So click submit now. System has built the sessions successfully. Now you can see that the schedule already built. Check here this one. This is the online meeting. The link is here. This will link us to the virtual classrooms. But since we are admins, we don't need to link to the virtual classrooms. We need to check it from the student and teachers instead. So now we need to log in as student. So we will log in with the student account. So here we go. We logged in as a student. This is the portal, student portal. You have the menu items on the left. You can go directly and check my schedule. So the student will click on my schedule. Once they click on my schedule, it will display the schedule. As you can see, now we have these 2 sessions and these days, and the virtual classroom link is here. So once the student click on that link, the system will connect the student directly to the virtual classroom meeting room, so that the student will be logged in and waiting for the teacher to log in. As you can see, this is the student. So from teacher, we will log in as teacher with a teacher account. Again, here is the teacher portal. So from the left, we have the schedule here. Teacher will click on the schedule. Once he or she clicks on the schedule, the timetable will be displayed here. This is the session. These are the courses, and these are the days. The teacher will just click here now, and system will connect the teacher to the virtual classrooms so that the teacher can meet the student on the same meeting room. Okay, again, this is the teacher, and this is the student that just logged in before. So the teacher and the students are meeting now online, and they are on the same room with the room name here, English, class C1, and the name of the teacher. This is the classroom software that the teacher will be using to give the session to their students online. So once we have the whiteboard here, the teacher can start using the whiteboard, and they also can click on here to enable the multi-user whiteboard. They can use all the features of whiteboard here. Teacher is writing something like virtual classroom testing, and the student can see what yes. So click enter here. Student will be able to see what is written by the teacher here, and the teacher can do something, can write something like teacher, so on. The teacher from here can see what's written by his student and can also write something like, well done. And the student can see what's written here. This is the whiteboard feature of the virtual classroom. There are many other features that you can use in the virtual classroom. So you can share your screen, you can share webcam, you can share or join audio by the microphone. You can also do a lot of administrative tasks here, like mute all users except presenters, and so on. There are a lot of other features, so that we can start private chat with the student or make the student a presenter. They can start public chat, they can share notes, they can start a poll, they can upload presentation and manage it, or video, and a lot of other features. This is the schedule and the virtual classroom. I hope it is helpful. We'll meet you in other videos for more systems in more tutorials. Thank you.